Hi, this is John Pugliano. Wanted to give you a couple quick comments about the economy. You know, we're 2 months or so into the Ukraine invasion. Interest rates have already started to rise. 10-year Treasury is over 2.8%. There's fear and gloom and doom everywhere. Economy, I think, is still doing fine, especially the pent-up demand that's taking place in the services, the hospitality, the travel side of the economy. But there's still plenty of opportunities as long as you stay out of the old, the lockdown, the stay-at-home type stocks. I think they will continue to be in crisis. Overall, I'm not worried about a recession until we get at least into the midterm elections in November. One area of the economy, though, that I think is really flashing a great opportunity, and this is for long-term investors, right? You're not going to invest $1,000 here and get rich quick overnight. But if you look at the banking sector, they took a big hit this week when they announced earnings, and that's primarily because the big money-centered banks have reported some decrease in earnings because of mergers and acquisitions and things like that. But they're still going to be fine. What I really like in the banking sector, though, is the regional banks. I own many banks. I own Bank ETFs. One of the ETFs that I've held for a long time, for many, many years, I still like it. I'm probably going to be adding to it, is KRE. This is a regional bank ETF. And think about this. First of all, again, I'm not concerned about the big money center banks anyways, but think about the regional banks. They have little to no exposure to foreign currency exchanges. They have little to no exposure to any type of geopolitical concerns, whether they be in Russia or in China. They have little to no concerns over mergers, acquisitions, and the general, trading in the stock markets. None of that. The worst case I think you can make for regional banks is that the boom in refinancing is over, but that's okay because they never really made much money in that anyways. Where they're really going to make money now and into the future is in people taking money out of their mortgages by using home equity loans. It's a big money maker. Those rates are going to be, well into the 5% or more category. There's plenty of broke people that you can guarantee are going to try and tap that equity in their homes. So watch for that. I really like the regional banks. You can play that, as I said, through an ETF. Long-term investors, I think this is a great opportunity. Well, hey, as always, until the next time, this is John Pugliano wishing you the very best returns.